Well, here we are. As you can see, we got chunks of the 300 out. We have the replacement panel prepped up, ready to go. Joe's been welding on that a little bit, just kind of closing up some of the little tiny holes. I guess I'll bring you over, show you kind of what we're doing. So you've seen this before. This is the prep piece. You see he's just kind of welding up all the little pinholes. We do have, now if you remember, probably, oh boy, 2 years ago, maybe more. It might have been a lot, 3 years ago. We took the a couple pieces from Kevin's like donor car. So I've been cleaning those up.
Over 2 years.
Yeah. So like you can see like there and kind of here, we're gonna have to scab in a piece. So I'll go show you what I've been just cleaning up. Okay, so here's the piece I was cleaning up. You probably, if you're a really long time quadruple zero watcher, you'll probably remember this piece coming off Kevin's donor car. So drilled out the spot welds and then just cleaned up that gutter. Got all the rubber and stuff out there. So now this we'll use to patch the patch panel. And then that should give us a pretty good, pretty solid sheet metal after that. Then onto the roof.
Sweet.
Okay, so we have the patch piece all in place. What do you call these things?
Clecos.
Yeah, they're like, I don't know. I've seen them on projects before, but I've never actually used one. So like, if you have a tool, I hope you can see this. You put it in, you squeeze it, you put it in the hole, you let it go, and it like creates tension on it. So
Like a rivet.
yeah, it's like a rivet you could reuse. Okay, so what Joe's gonna do is basically run a wheel down. You're going to pierce basically the patch panel and the actual panel on the car, so that then you could then butt weld it.
Yeah, then the pieces will actually line perfectly up, so you can tack weld it, and you'll have a nice butt seam, and it's not overlapped.
Okay.
We could hack it and just weld this on top, and you're putting a vinyl on it, and no one would really ever see it. So,
right.
But that's kind of hack.
Joe doesn't do anything hack, unless he's going to sell it the next day. I'm just kidding. Sort of, no. Yeah, Joe's super particular about all the stuff he does. That's good.
Such a tough spot.
Okay, so what Joe's doing here is he's using pieces from Kevin's old donor car to basically patch the patch panel. So as you see, the patch panel is not perfect, so we're taking smaller pieces from other, I guess, gutter sheet rail, sheet metal, and welding it into place. So as you can see, Joe's got the piece pretty much ready to go. It's fitting in pretty good. You can see the hole we have here. Cut out all the rotten stuff on the 300. Tedious work, but it's got to get done. Alright, so as you can see, we are getting the panel welded in. This is pretty much where Joe takes control. He is the body and sheet metal guy, so I can't weld yet. And I'm not willing to learn on this venture, so I'll show you what we got here. Got it all pretty much tacked into place. Joe's just finishing up on the driver's side corner. Yeah, I mean, it's like any body work, 90% is prep. You got to get the thing fitted correctly before you really start laying down any welding. So yeah, we spent the better part of the day, getting this all aligned, cleaned, ready to go.
It feels good already.
Yeah, it's really straight. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Now, I'm on the tripod here, guys, so I don't think I'm going to be able to really do much, but I'm going to try to get a little low here so you can kind of see. It's lined up pretty well. So far so good. You can see we did take measurements as to where from the bottom to the top how much space we should have. It's coming up pretty much on the money.
Coming up Millhouse.
So. Alright, so this is where we ended up for today. Got it pretty much in place. Just got to finish up welding it, and that'll be that. So, another big step closer to getting the top back on.